Hey, there's no point. I'm so sorry, Flint. My real name is Eugene Fitzhubert. I have a magic hair that glows when I sing. This glow doesn't just glow. So you're being strangely cryptic as you wrap your magic hair around my injured hand? Like the clock's reverse, bring back what once was why. Please don't freak out. When I was a baby, people tried to cut it once. It's cut, it turns brown and loses its power. Mother? Going home, Rapunzel, now. But Mother, This is why you never should have left. Come with Mommy. Mother? No! Don't let him deceive you, give it to him what you see. If he's lying, don't come crying. Hey, you alright? Oh, Austin thought I guess.
What?
Wait! Whoa. Sit. Rabbit? Oh, good boy. He's a bad horse. Oh, he's nothing but a big sweetheart. Just for 24 hours and then you can chase each other to your heart's content, okay? Sorry. Ow! Ow! Thank you. Where are we going? Well? Now I'm here, suddenly I see, and alas I see the light, now that I see you. I'm not scared anymore, you know what I mean? I'm starting to